This recipe is pretty simple and should only take about 15 minutes. The first step is to add a whole bag of frozen spinach, set the heat on medium, and cover it for about 10 minutes. I used about 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. You're also going to need some seasoning, so I suggest using a teaspoon of the following: paprika, black pepper, and garlic powder. The next thing I did is chop up about 1/4 of an onion. Doesn't matter if you have a white onion or purple onion or a Vidalia onion, it just adds a little more flavor and a little texture. Give it a stir and let it simmer for about 4 more minutes. The spinach is almost ready, but it's not cream spinach without the cheese. So I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of ricotta cheese and 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna stir that all together and then it's ready to plate. I just put it in the bowl and I'm gonna top it with Texana Brand's roasted garlic infused olive oil. Please let me know if you try this recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.